everybody, welcome to an icebreaker construction update here at SeaWorld Orlando. It's a beautiful day out. It took me an hour to get into the park, sadly, but we're here for an icebreaker construction update because icebreakers crews are on site today, so hopefully testing. Let's go check it out. There's two crew members, what you can see, there's two crews. Looks like one is over by the yard. They're doing something with this, so maybe they're gonna be rolling out that train to the launch track. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, there are crews working on that one train with water dummies in it. Here's the other train with no water dummies in it, and I can see some rock for the new sign, it looks like. Alrighty guys, so currently we have a new update coming in from me. I am currently examining them. They're adding waters to the water dummies on that train that's in the maintenance yard. So, more than likely testing today. Yay! Sorry, I'm shaking my camera so because of how excited I am. So let's see if there is going to be testing because they are boarding up water. Testing. Oh, she's sitting down the lunch. Go, baby, go! Press to hell! Oh, there she goes. Go, baby, go! Oh, yeah! Oh, wow! That was my first ever test run. Oh man, that thing flies. Test number 2 of the day, I see. Hello, icebreaker. How are you doing? Alright, so this is actually test number 7. She's constantly testing now, which is good. Alrighty guys, test run number 8 is launching! pink chickens. How are you guys doing? I'm getting on to the meme with the pink chickens. Good morning. Oh, I said good morning. I meant good afternoon, people. Good afternoon, guys. Oh, I almost tripped. Ah, pink chicken right here. How are you doing? Okay, so it's been a little while since the last test. I don't know if it's tested anymore since the last footage. Well, as you guys know, I was over by the pink chickens. Flamingos, quote unquote. I rode Kraken and Manta. So, it looks like they're on their lunch break because I see a few of them sitting down and eating. So they're going to be doing stuff a little later. There's actually a guy walking towards the maintenance barn area. So, looks like we'll be seeing some more work in a little bit on it. Alrighty guys, so they're still on their lunch break. I just got over here. They opened this part of the park. So hopefully we'll see some testing on this side of the park because such a great view you got. So yeah, let's hope we see some more testing very soon. Oh man, she's testing.
Sure as dogs can fly, I'll take any risk to tie back the hands of time. Stay with you here tonight.
Under tents, under icebreakers track. They don't have the netting installed yet, so we're walking under a these little tent things. And look, you're on the other side now. We just got a bunch of shots. There's a show going on. I just showed you a clip. We're back on testing. There's been over 15 trains already. Big airplane up there. 747. And it's absolutely amazing looking. It runs, it's hauling. Empty trains are hauling. It's now consisting testing. I've caught about 4 test trains already. Actually, over 5 now. Actually, here it goes again. It's up. It's shaking the ground when it goes by. It's such a good Well, that's going to conclude our day here at SeaWorld Orlando for another icebreaker construction update. We saw lots of test trains. We saw over 20 test trains today, and it was pretty staggered, but they were consistently rolling out like 12 to 13 trains in a row. I didn't get to spend my whole day here at SeaWorld watching icebreaker. I was for some rides, like here's Manta. What an amazing flying coaster. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to share this video with other people so